Dropa no beat do spring. Tudo gostado da beat. Ela quer do purple e do green. Tem uma da punk e da pink. Pode misturar com meu lean.
You guys spammed me to plant 20 million trees on Twitter, Reddit, all over my comment section, so I made it happen.
Today, we will be planting 20 million trees. After planting all day, we only managed to plant 300 trees.
Which is less than 20 million and my back hurts.
I put out a tweet and I have tons of people coming here tomorrow to plant trees.
I think I've got an idea for a drone.
So I haven't mentioned this yet, but this is Mark Rober. This is his channel. He used to work at NASA. He put this thing on Mars. He does a lot of cool things. He's gonna try with the drone and we're gonna try with people.
Play to your strengths.
All right.
And so I was in Washington to meet with some people who had a crazy idea that just might be the key to helping Mr. Beast and I plant those 20 million carbon vacuums. What's up? Their company's called Drone Seed, and they're only about 4 years old, and their idea is to use these massive drones to plant trees from the sky. They do this in 2 steps. First, they send out a smaller recon drone that uses lasers to create a 3D map of the terrain, and then from that they use software to find all the best spots to drop the trees to maximize their survivability. And then they create a flight path for each of the drones to fly autonomously. Then you load up the drone with a bunch of these seed pucks that you will drop from the sky.
One eternity later. A few moments later.